Lucy. And we're the script writers.
Hey Falcons, welcome to the last edition of the Thursday Show. It's been such a fun and interesting year with many highs and lows.
So my name is Mrs. Flowers, and I am the principal at Aviar Oats Middle School.
Hey Lucy, did you know that today was Andrew Jackson's 251st birthday?
How interesting. I didn't know that. But I did know that he was born in Nashville.
With more...
Sebastian, you can finish that candy bar at home, because we're here in Seattle, the second healthiest city in the country.
This is why Washington has been a hotbed for young football talent. Apparently,
It motivates me, and I just feel better when I run.
Running Club is an after-school activity for people who are passionate about running and also want.
An estimated 4,000 children die each day due to contaminated water.
Seattle, Washington. I'm Nico Arboy.
And I'm Lucy Walker, here to report on Native culture in the Emerald City.
My name is Sean Greenmeyer, and this is Riley.
Three very different people, all living in the same small town.
How it can be seen today.
But no matter what, Nashville will always have a special personality that makes it unique.
This has been Noah Sherrar.
And Lucy Walker, reporting for Student Television Network.